Hi guys, let's play with my car collection. This cool monster truck has green tires and lights up. I love this truck so much. Look at my T-Rex monster truck. It's also green. I also have this monster truck. It is blue and brown. Do you guys like it? Look, I found my shiny blue racing car. Wow, it's awesome and fast. Look at this cool car. It's red and black. Let's see it driving fast. Let me show you the other cars I have. I have an excavator, tiny cars, bulldozer, and so much more. I hope you guys love seeing my cool car collection. See you next time. Bye.